about 50. If we get on it. Can't get on it too good here, but little side comparison. So once I get that KILMAT installed, do another comparison, and hopefully have great results. I love the sound of the truck, but going down the highway for long periods of time, it gets a little monotonous, especially having the kids and the wife in the truck too. So hopefully the KILMAT will make things a little more pleasant on the inside, while it still sounds dang good on the outside. So we'll see. Deadening. Getting this thing prepped. Gonna throw some sound deadening in here, see if it'll help out a lot of the road noise, exhaust and everything else. Not gonna pull the front seats for now, just gonna do it up to just underneath the back seats and the back wall, back part of the cab for now. Go ahead and do a little bit on the sides here. But yep, and get it all cleaned up so that KILMAT will stick to it good and get rocking and rolling. And I got all the floor, most of the back of the cab done. I say all the floor. Get it up to where it rolls down, just underneath the back seats. Ran out of sheets. Ended up doing like, I don't know, 20 something sheets I think on this, but for the most part, I think hopefully it'll help. I'm kind of concerned about, you gotta knock out all the holes and everything where all the clips are supposed to go for the panels and all that fun stuff. So kind of a little concerned about everything still fitting up if I was to do all this. But yep, Time to get the interior thrown back in so I can go pick up the kiddo. Try to do a sound test on the way there. Let's get it rolling. Normal driving after getting the KILMAT installed. Getting on it a little bit. It'll sound a little quieter. I don't know how much it really helped. Still kind of seems a little loud, but having the cam and headers, it's turned down right past the rear axle, so I may need to try to reroute that a little bit, but I don't know. I'll have to listen to some older sound clips with before the KILMAT to really kind of tell any kind of difference, but I don't know. Still got a little sound here. I've had the KILMAT in here for a couple of days now. I do think it's helped a little bit on the normal driving and everything, but a little more bearable inside the cab. It's right back there in the back seat, or the seat. Not so noisy until I get on it. It is still definitely more bearable, I think, than what it used to be. So I don't know, maybe I need to tear it all back down. I didn't get all the way through along that back wall just because I was a little concerned about where the clips were going, and I want to make sure all the trim pieces still fit up good. Plus I was basically out of sheets, so I don't know. Maybe I get some more sheets ordered up and tear this whole interior apart one of these days and let her rip. That's all she wrote for this one, though. Peace.